I'm here in beautiful Somerset this morning. I just had a bit of a jog and a walk before work. And all I'll have to say to anyone who is struggling with perimenopause, as I am, or menopause, just get yourself around nature as often as you humanly can, because it makes such a difference. And I think I would be going slightly insane by now, but as it is today, I can just hear birds singing. We've got these salt marshes around, there's greenery everywhere, it's peaceful. It brings us into the moment.